Hello! How are you? Good day. Today, what we are going to do is to tell a story. But now, I'm going to fold the paper while doing it. I've learned this style when I attended a workshop in Singapore. This got me interested because while telling a story, you are going to fold the paper and being able to relate the story. Are you ready? Here it goes. 3 simple things. Once, there was a man who had a huge vegetable garden and sprawling fruit trees in his backyard. He lives in the neighborhood nearby. Also, he loves to share his produce. And he gives more than he keeps. The kids would call him the Mountain Man. Not because he's ever lived on a mountain, but he is a strong and an old one too. One day, someone asked him how he managed to be healthy, happy, and content. He said he tries to do 3 simple things every day. The first thing he does every day is he gives and receives lots and lots of smiles. The second thing he does every day is lower his head in thanksgiving for all of his good fortune. The third thing he does every day is take a few minutes, sit back, relax, and drink lots and lots of good, pure fruit juice. First, smiling. Second, Thanksgiving. Third, drinking lots of juice. 3 simple things he does every day. Is a good life really that easy? What do you think? Now, I'm going to show you how to do the folding of an origami paper. First, you've got to have a paper, something like this. And then, you've got to fold it like this. And you've got to fold it when you are in the word Mountain Man. Just like this, Mountain Man. And after that, you're going to fold it. The next word is the gives and receives. So, give, and receive. Next one is the word lower his head. Lower his head. Thanksgiving. And the last one is sit back, and relax. And now you can open it like this, as if it is like a glass. So you can do the drinking thing. So in the comment section, I will put the how to do it, and you can just read it and try to do it. Anyway, so thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned something new again. And by the way, my name is Jay Menes, and thanking you. Have a good day. Mabuhay!